I'm very hopeful. I know the reality is we cannot assume that people will start to speak Yiddish in the street to each other necessarily. The challenges of Yiddish theater in some way reflect the challenges of theater in general. Who's the next audience? Who are the next performers? What will it look like? Of course, we have an added layer of language. And I do believe that it may be even important now. I've often said that the first 50 years of the Dora Wasserman Yiddish Theater were the easy ones. What are we going to do with the next 50 years? I don't feel that now. I feel very hopeful. I feel very hopeful being at the National Yiddish Theatre Folksbiene now. I feel hopeful that this generation that we have now are interested, they're curious. They don't have the baggage of the previous generation of integration, of shedding their Yiddish culture. I think that they want to know. And I think theater is one of the safest and most expressive ways of reaching and connecting to your culture.